In this video, I will show you step by step how you can register for a business account on Amazon. So step number one, you need to head over to Amazon and log into your regular account. And then you can then go to the top right hand corner and click on this little drop down menu here. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, you can then select register for a free business account. Now from here, it will bring you to this page. It will allow you to register with the current email that you are using on your regular account, or you can use a different email if you prefer. So for me, I will click on this right here. And then once you are on this page, all you need to do is enter in your business phone number. You can then enter in your business name. You need to enter in if you are a sole trader or other. And then if you've got a VAT registration number, you can then provide that in this box here. You can then go down here, click on the drop down menu to add your business address. If your business address is different from your home address, you can click on add new address right here. Enter in your new business address. And then you can then simply click on create business account. And then once we do this, that will then have created our Amazon business account.